In this lesson, we will discuss about multiplication and division of integers. Let's have multiplying integers with same sign. So multiply the absolute values of the numbers. Then, if the two numbers have the same sign, the product is positive. Example, 8 times 6 is equal to 48 or positive 48. Negative 7 times negative 3, since they have the same sign, so we have. What about negative 4 raised to 2? So this means we have to multiply negative 4 to itself or by itself twice or 2 times. So we have negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to positive 16. Next, what about multiplying integers with different signs? So multiply the absolute values of the numbers, and if the two numbers have different signs, the product is negative. Example, 7 times negative 11, so that is 7 times 11 is 77. So since they have different signs, so we have negative 77. Next is negative 6 times 5, so 6 times 5 is 30. And since they have different signs, so we have negative 30. What about multiplying integers with any integer and 0? So that is the product of any integer, either positive or negative, and 0 is 0. First example, we have 0 times 29 is equal to 0. Negative 12 times 0 is 0. Let's have dividing integers with same sign. So divide the absolute values of the numbers, and if the two numbers have the same sign, the quotient is positive. Example, 28 divided by 7, since they have the same sign, so the answer is positive 4. Next is negative 72 divided by negative 9. Again, they have the same sign, so the answer is positive 8. What about dividing integers with different signs? So divide the absolute values of the numbers, and if the two numbers have different signs, the quotient is negative. Example, 35 divided by 5. Divide 35 by 5, so we have 7. Since they have different signs, so we have negative 7. Next, negative 42 divided by 7. Divide 42 by 7, so that is 6. Since they have different signs, so we have negative 6. Next is any integer and 0. 0 divided by any integer, positive or negative, the quotient is 0. So in this case, 0 appears in the numerator. So that is 0 divided by 11 is 0. 0 divided by negative 5 is 0. Next, any integer positive or negative divided by 0, the quotient is undefined. So in this case, 0 appears in the denominator. So negative 9 divided by 0 is undefined. 24 divided by 0 is undefined. So let's have problem solving. These are the temperatures in 1 week in Finland. So negative 6 degrees, 2 degrees, 0 degrees, negative 2 degrees, negative 4 degrees, negative 1 degrees, and 4 degrees. What is the average temperature? So let's have the solution. So add all the given temperatures. So the sum of all of these numbers with negative signs is negative 13, and with positive sign we have positive 6. So, negative 13 plus 6 plus 0 is negative 7. Okay, take note that in finding the average, we have the sum of values divided by the number of values. So, that is negative 7 as the sum of values and 7 the number of values. So, the answer is negative 7 divided by 7 is negative 1. So, the average temperature is negative 1.